Hey, Gary here with you. I really dig these printables, the idea of creating these digital products and then selling them and people can print them out, like the one you see here, draw in color. Then I have here a finish the mole, where you can see the mole and you can finish him as well as cut and solve. This one is going to be unique in that it's actually a cutout. So you would take some scissors and cut this out and then solve the puzzle to create the unicorn. And of course I have this one, which is cutouts and stickers. So you can see the top one here, which is a cutout, and then this one as well with that white background. So then people could print that out on sticker paper and then they could have their own stickers. Or you could offer this as a service on Etsy or some other type of marketplace or your own website where you have them order the sticker and then you print out the sticker and then you mail it to them. It all depends on how you want to sort of create these digital products, these printables, and then sell them. But also, the simple tools that you can use is what I want to show you today that I use to create these printables right here. So we're going to jump on a computer and take a look. And here we are looking at these in the finished PDF format. This would be the file that you would sell, that people would download, and then they could print them out on their own paper or on sticker paper in the case of the sticker. The tools I use to create these are inside of a membership called Puzzle Publishers. There is a link in the description to join Puzzle Publishers, and we're going to take a look at some of these tools, and we're going to start with Simply Cutout Crazy Pro. And inside of Simply Cutout Crazy Pro, it really is just that simple and crazy how simple it is. You simply just load an image. In this case here, you see I have some images of the unicorns that I'm going to be using to create the cutout and or the sticker. And I simply just go ahead and open that here. And then when that loads, you can see that it creates the cutout. The cutout then can be created with a solid line or a dotted line. All you have to do is refresh the cutout every time you want to change the different line style. You can see the different line styles here. You can also add padding to that, so then you can extend the line or the distance between the line and the image. Then you get into the idea of creating the stickers. What you can do is you can use a fill color. In this case, I used a fill color of white, and I got rid of the line, and I simply refresh that cutout. And then there you can see it adds the fill, or the white line fills between the image and the outer edge, or the padding. Again, we can adjust the padding here and we can refresh that. Probably for a sticker, you probably want to go a little thicker like you see right there. And then you simply just download that as a PNG or you download it as a PDF. So we took a quick look at cutouts and stickers. The next one I want to show you is the cut and solve. Back inside of Puzzle Publishers, the Pro software here, you can see all the tools, but we're focused here on print it, cut it, solve it. When you open up that tool, you will see that it is basically the same type of canvas, but you see a grid here. We'll go ahead and load the puzzle image, and we'll go ahead and use the unicorns like we did in the example. And we'll simply just load up that unicorn, and then we'll zoom it in so it fits in the grid. And then all you simply do is generate the puzzle, and it makes the pieces right there that then can be cut out. And you can randomize this, or you can move these around as you want. And also, if you go back here, you see on this page, the cut it and solve, I have a black line here or a border or an edge. If you want to regenerate that, you can reset that. And then what you can do is you can create an outline either in black or white. We'll go ahead and create that black outline and we will generate that. And you can see here that it will generate the pieces. And then you can see the pieces there have a border right there, that line. And then the pieces that don't have anything in them, you simply just move them off of the canvas when you get ready to download. And then again, you can download this as a PNG or a PDF. And if you want to create a new puzzle, you simply just create new puzzle. Also, the grid size here can be changed up so you can make it more complicated or add more blocks to actually cut out. That is cut and solve, the simple tool inside of Puzzle Publishers to do that one. The next one is finish the mole, where you can see the grid right here. And then basically you are copying the image of the mole here and you are finishing the drawing inside of the grid. Back inside of your membership of Puzzle Publishers, you're going to go down and you're going to take a look at Finish the Image Pro. Go ahead and select Access Now. I will open up a similar canvas. I think you're seeing that all these canvases are similar in the way they work. They provide a canvas and then the options to actually create the puzzle. We'll go ahead and we'll load the image. In this case, I was using the mole images. We'll go ahead and select a different type of mole image that I have right here. We'll open him up, and as you can see, we just simply bring him into the grid. Then we could make it simple here, or we could change the grid, and you can see that the grid changes here. Now we have a 2x3, and then all you simply do is you can click random hide, or you can unhide it, and then you can manually select the ones that you want to hide. Then at that point, you're simply downloading the PNG or the PDF. And here you can see the grid that I created, a little more complicated. This is going to depend on the age group or how complicated you want to make the puzzle or the printable for the person that's going to be accomplishing the task of finishing the mole. Next one up is the draw and color. This is inside of the same tool here. In this case, all I did was go ahead and create a new puzzle and load a new image. And in this case, to make the draw and color, I used the same tool, but I used a different image. And I used a colored image where I can bring in the color. So now instead of finishing the drawing, they're actually going to finish it off, and they're actually going to be able to draw in. And then once they draw it, they'll be able to add the color, creating a different type of printable, a different type of puzzle. Same thing here, random hide, or you can just select the one that you want and simply select download PNG or download PDF. And then you can see here you created the draw and color with the original image and then adding the puzzle that you created inside of Puzzle Publishers. Same with Finish the Mole. Here created a nice little puzzle. Cut and Solve adds another dimension where they actually have to take out a pair of scissors and cut out the pieces and then solve the puzzle to recreate the unicorn that you see here. And then Cut Out and Stickers adds a dimension of cutout as well as creating stickers if they want to print them themselves on their own printer paper, or their own printer paper that is sticker paper, or you actually creating these and then selling the stickers as your own finished product. Now inside of your Puzzle Publishers membership, you have all these software tools to create all these different types of printable puzzles and games, but there are also other things to include all of this training, as well as a puzzle hub and a store and other resources to get help and support. There's also a Facebook group. If you click the link in the description, it'll take you over to this bonus page where you can join Puzzle Publishers and get access to all 12 amazing of these software programs that you see right here, as well as I'm offering a few bonuses. The images that I've been playing with today, also some pirate images that you see here, you can get access to those. Simply click the link in the description and get started with Puzzle Publishers and start creating your own unique and super cool printables, just like the ones that I created here. Like I was showing you here, you saw the PDFs, you see the physical sheets of paper that you will sell as a digital product. These are the product. This is the product that the end user will actually print out and they'll have access to. Again, I really like this Cut and Solve where it'll be a puzzle for the kid to cut out. And then of course, if they have printer paper, they can print this out with sticker paper, paper that is made to print stickers, as well as the one here that they can cut out and then use that however they want. You could create a little game out of that by creating the cutout and then adding a place for them to glue it on here. So like a cut and glue type book. But you see that you created all of those with those simple tools right there inside of Puzzle Publishers. Link in the description. Check that out. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.